Hey, hope you all are doing good and welcome to my new vlog. This vlog is a glimpse of a crazy, fun filled weekend with my friends at a place called Norreda Torp, which is just 25 kilometers from Uppsala, somewhere in the woods. So let's dive into it and hope you guys like it.
Yo!
Yo, Franco, what's up?
What's up?
Are you ready?
No. It's like
You're on camera. Me and my friends gathered at Franco and Renata's corridor where we had a nice filling breakfast before starting for Norreda Torp. So are you guys excited?
very much.
But first some food.
Please.
What are we having?
How do you call this?
It was a Sunday morning and everyone was feeling a bit lazy. But after packing all our stuff, we left quickly to catch the 10 a.m. bus. It was beautiful and sunny outside and temperatures were not super low, making it a perfect day to travel. To reach Norreda Torp, we had to take a bus till Funbo Church and then walk 6 kilometers through the forest and farms. We boarded our bus from Flugsta Centrum and changed to bus number 809 from the central station. And from there, it took us 20 minutes to reach the Funbo Church. Deepak and Franco also managed to take power naps during the bus ride. Hey! Are you excited? Will you go in the sauna?
Of course.
Nice!
This is Khalil. Khalil.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah. The views outside were simply amazing. White snow everywhere under the big blue sky. After reaching the Funbo Church, we started our walk towards Norreda Torp. We had a lot of bags filled with food, so we took turns for holding the heavy ones. Holy shit, that's knee deep. That's knee deep snow, wow. What? What? We walked past beautiful streams, farms and fields. Forests on both the sides with snow-covered trees was just magnificent. This walk to our destination was one of the best parts of the whole trip. Everyone was having so much fun playing with the snow and in the snow. What are we doing now? All of us have quite a lot of work in our courses and we were really happy and excited that we could find this weekend to just relax and enjoy. It's not easy nowadays to make travel plans for faraway places, but it was feasible to book a cabin amidst the beautiful nature and not too far from Uppsala.
Mansi, what did you do to him?
I just said hey and he just runs away.
It was just amazing to see everyone have so much fun. Franco was showing off his karate skills on the trees as well.
So fun.
Oh, watch out.
Oh no.
Avalanche.
That's good. It's like Star.
Oh my god, it will be amazing on the footage.
You're welcome.
After a 6-kilometer walk, we finally reached Norreda Torp, where we were going to spend the night in a beautiful cabin. We are gonna stay in this one. This is our home for today.
I need more mom picture.
So our cabin was pretty amazing. Ground floor had a fully equipped kitchen, dining area and cutlery for 12 and 2 beds. The first floor had 10 bunk beds, which was pretty cool as well. So after settling in, we sat and had a really nice lunch.
It's out.
So we are having a feast.
Oh, I burned this shit.
We have oranges, milk, banana, wine, hot dogs, eggs, sauces and...
It's burn, man.
What?
Yeah.
And Franco is making the lunch. Cheese sandwiches.
This one is lunch.
That's good lunch. Burnt sandwich.
Can someone play some more fucking music?
Wow. What is that? Bacon?
Yeah, bro.
Make sure this does not burn.
Ready, yeah. This one's ready. Oh, that shit. It's not vegan.
After the lunch, we went down to the lake for a walk. The lake was completely frozen, so we walked on the lake as well. The only thing missing was the ice skates. Woo! Go for it. Yeah, just free fall maybe.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I think it's thick enough.
Oh, God! It feels so good. Just leave me here.
Does it?
Just leave me here.
Okay. Fangs. Vampire fangs. Nice. Expectro Patronum! After the fun-filled walk, we changed and went straight to the sauna.
Yeah. So let's go to the sauna.
Alright, going in the sauna now, and then we go jump in that lake, a hole in the frozen lake.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh my gosh. What the f?
Oh my gosh. Oh,
How deep is it? How deep is it?
Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my balls. Holy shit, dude. Holy f. Holy shit. Oh. Holy f.
Jump, 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 jump. Come on, Druff. Do it, Druff. Do it, Druff. Come on, Druff. Come on, Druff. Come on, Druff. Come
Khalil. Deeper, bro. Deeper, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, bro.
It's deep. It's deep.
Only one.
Go for it. Go for it.
Come on. Only one down. My feet.
Careful, careful.
All the way.
Go in, go in. It's okay, it's okay. Come out, come out.
Whoa. Good job, Mansi. Yes, you can do it, bro. Come on. You can do it. Yes, impact. Yes, no. Yeah. Holy shit, man. Good job. Now get the fuck up here. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. Take it. Chill, chill, chill. Don't worry.
So after 2 hours of sauna, dipping in the frozen lake and rolling in the snow, we went back to the cabin, changed and had a nice hot dinner.
Can you close the second door?
Yeah.
Getting the most uncomfortable.
I am so sorry.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
After the dinner, we went for the second round of sauna as well. So it's like 11 p.m. and it was a great day. We just returned from sauna and other people are still coming. So I got a head start and now I'll just crash on my bed. And you can see the setup here, it's pretty decent. The place was super comfortable and I had a great sleep. But I cannot say the same for everyone else as some people were snoring. I woke up at around 8 in the morning and it was chilly, minus 10 degrees outside. After freshening up, I woke up everyone else. Good morning, people. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Deepak, wake up. Alright, get up. I've brushed my teeth. I'm going to poop. Khalid, wake up. Brush, brush, brush. Get off the bed, Mansi.
Are you taking
Yes. Good morning, Franco. Did you have a nice sleep?
No.
Because Deepak was snoring. We had breakfast, packed up our bags, cleaned the whole cabin, and we were ready to start back for Uppsala. And this was our super fun weekend at Norreda Torp. So if you enjoyed this vlog, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to rent a cabin at this place, you can check out the link that I have put down in the descriptions below. Have a great day. Until next time, bye.